Hi readers, it's Baby Echo and I. Are you ready for our warm-up? Okay, repeat after us. A apple a. B bat b. E ed e. I itch I. WH whistle w. CH chin ch. SH ship sh. TH thumb th. CK sock k. O octopus ah. Very nice, my friends. Do some without the pictures. CH chin ch. QU qua. X x. Great job. Okay, it's time to see if you can beat me in trick words. Are you ready? Okay, let's do it. The, and, is, his, of. All right, how'd you do? Did you beat me? Good for you. Okay, friends, it's time for us to look at some words. How many words do you see here? 1, 2, 3, 4. I see 3 rows of 4. How many is that total? 12, that's right. 12 is my favorite number. So as you look at these words, can you find a word that has a digraph? You're right. All of the words have digraphs. I want you to count. How many words have digraphs at the beginning, before the vowel? In the top line, chip does right here. Very good. It comes before. How about in this row? How many? 1 word, 2 words, 3 words have a digraph before. Let's look at our last row. 1, 2. Very good. Okay. Are you ready to try to read some of these words with me? Here's what we're going to do. As I highlight it, I want you to tell me the sound, and then we'll blend. Watch me. A, sh, rash. And as I'm highlighting, you can be tapping. Let's try the next one. S, ch, such, ch, I, p, chip, d, I, sh, dish. Try to stay with me. Let's do the next row. Sh, ed, shed, ch, I, chin, ch, at, chat, w, I, with. Okay, one more row, guys. Stay with me. You got it. Ud, thud, ash, mash, whip, whip. One more. Off, moth. Whew! You just read all 12 of those words with digraphs. Great job, readers. Okay, here's what you should do. Pause the screen when I'm done talking and try to read these again all by yourself. Okay? Read them a few times until it feels pretty smooth to you if you can. Great. All right, friends, it's time for some more reading practice. This is called story time. And boy, do I have a good story for you. Okay, I want you to go ahead, and the title's kind of small. It's right here. I want you to try to read that silently to yourself. Yeah, it's called Codfish. What do you think the story might be about? Okay, something about maybe a fish on Cape Cod or some type of fish or going fishing. Let's read to find out if you're right. So we're going to do just one sentence at a time. I'm going to let you read it yourself, and then I'll read it out loud and you can try to read it with me. So when I highlight it, you try it first on your own. Jack had a net to get a codfish for Jed, the cat. Did you notice how when I read, I tried to read smoothly and keep the words inside of the scoops together? Okay, your turn. Try to read this on your own first. Repeat after me. Jack sat on a rock with his net. Okay, try this sentence. Repeat after me. Jed sat on a log. Try this one. Repeat after me. Jack had the luck. Your turn. Repeat. He was quick with the net. Your turn. Repeat. He got the codfish. Your turn. Repeat. Jed had a dish of fish. Your turn. Repeat. Yum! Okay, nice reading, everybody. Now we're going to read it all together. Try to stay with me. Here we go. Jack had a net to get a codfish for Jed, the cat. Jack sat on a rock with his net. Jed sat on a log. Jack had the luck. He was quick with the net. He got the codfish. Jed had a dish of fish. Yum! Okay, my friends, let's talk about the story. First, let's talk about the characters. Who are the characters in the story? We have Jack. I'm going to mark that digraph. Here's Jack. He's a little boy, we think. Maybe he'll be smiling now. Who else? Jed. I'll do capital J because it's a name like Jack. And Jed is a what? Jed's a cat. Are there any other characters? Nope, just Jack and Jed. Okay. And when we do a story, the next thing we'd sometimes like to think about to make sure we understood it all is the setting. Where did this story take place? Where were they? What makes you think that? What did it say that made you think that? Okay, it says that there's a rock, and you know they're fishing, so there must be water and a log. Where could they be that has fishing water, rocks, and logs? Maybe the ocean, maybe a pond. Okay, I'm gonna write the word pond, maybe a lake, that could be. Do you think they're fishing in a pool? No. So here's my water, and here's the log, here's the rock. The water kind of has waves. There's that setting. Okay. And now talk to me. I want you to tell me what is happening in the story. What are the main events? What happened first? Okay, so first we have Jack, and he had a net. So he wasn't using a fishing pole, he was using a net. And he's trying to get a fish. So then what's the second thing he did? Okay, he sat down on the log. Here's Jack sitting on a log. And what's the third thing that happened? He had the luck. He was quick with a net. What do you think that means? Yeah, it means he caught a fish. Yay! And what happened at the end of the story? I'm going to write 4, which is the end. Yeah, Jed ate the fish on a dish. So there's the little cat. Here's my plate. And he's happy because the story said, yum. Okay, I want you to try to now retell. So tell me again what happened in the story. Don't read it. Think about my little notes and tell me the story in your own words. Or if you have someone there, tell them. Use my silly pictures to help you. Did you get all the parts? Okay, so that's called a retell. They talked about characters, settings, and the main event. And all of you did a lot of great reading today. If you want to practice reading more, you can just pause on this screen and work on this story. We'll see you next time.